I want to talk about other common misconceptions that people often hold regarding the grammar of sign language and whether it's equivalent to that of spoken languages. Many mistakenly think that ASL is not capable of having the same structures. I'll go over a few points behind that thinking. This first point means that although signers use words for concepts, people think that these words can't express abstract concepts like spoken words can. Second, while there are discrete words in the sign vocabulary, people think that they're limited to items that are visible, tangible, or imitable actions that can be easily gestured and thus signed. One would wonder how other concepts could be signed, leading them to challenge the capacity of sign language. Another one we encounter is based on estimates of word count in sign language in comparison to spoken language. The conclusion being that the lexicon of sign language is far smaller than that of spoken language. Where does this thinking come from? Another one has to do with word order, or syntax, which is key for arranging spoken words in the correct order. In sign language, the thinking is that anything goes. Often, signers themselves notice that our word order is not the same as spoken languages, seemingly having no required order. As people try to understand this, they conclude that the word order flexibility means that there is no order. Where do all of these ideas come from? It appears that all of them can be attributed to reliance on analogy to gesture. In spoken language, the relationship between words and their real-world reference is not easily observable. Speech seems arbitrary, which leads to the conclusion that words in spoken languages are abstract, while signs, some of which use the same forms as gestures, seem to represent their real-world reference. So people who don't know sign language, but can gesture, are only able to compare gesture to their spoken language. Because they deem gesture to be limited, when confronted with the sign language, they apply that same thinking and experience from gesture, leading to misconceptions like these.